So, guys, first impressions of new 10 perfumes in Federico Mahora, right? I put them all in order and I had a quick sniff, okay? So just a quick smell of these new scents. I didn't test them all day, so I can't say anything about longevity. And I only put them on papers at the moment, so it's just a quick one. Yeah, I didn't even put them on skin, so I'll just tell you like my first impressions of the new ones. So we've got here 935 inspired by Privé Ambre Eccentrico. Okay, so let me just smell it again. So it's beautiful. Not disappointed. It's really good, quite strong and sweet. It's got sweet vibe, almost like a modern futuristic vibe, I could say. It's very suitable for winter, obviously, because it's gourmand. It's quite gourmand, and I love gourmands. I've ordered this full bottle, so I think I'm gonna be very happy with this one. It's lovely, it's beautiful, it's literally like perfect for autumn and winter. Obviously in the name it says it's ambre, you know, so it's like, it's very like vanilla ambre, very sweet. It's not I don't think it's too cakey, like, you know, it's not sweet like cake, but it's a very nice blend of this 935 ambre. It's inspired by ambre Armani Privé Ambre Eccentrico, yeah? So then we've got Tom Ford Fougère d'Argent. I'm sure I didn't pronounce it well, but I can't speak French. Anyway, so this one, okay, yeah, it's I really like it. It's Tom Ford, really nice, really nice scent. Yeah, it's quite fresh. It's got lavender in it, but it's not too prominent, so I love that, like when it's not too prominent. If it's too much lavender, for me it feels like I'm in a massage salon or somewhere. Right? So it's just perfect amount, and I love it. I actually really love it. Like for men, I think it's more masculine. Obviously it's unisex, but I think it's inclining more to men. I almost feel like tiny, very tiny bit of wood, but very tiny bit, not too much. But otherwise it's beautiful, fresh. I love fresh. I think fresh on men is sexy, so I love fresh. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, so I have someone who bought it, and I think they're gonna love it. I mean, I love it. So yeah, I love it. It's nice, freshy, but it's not freshy. It's not freshy like freshy to the beach. It just maybe like for the evenings if you want to wear it in summer, but daytime in winter and autumn, and even in spring. Oh, I like this. I really like this one. So it's 936, inspired by Fougère d'Argent, Tom Ford. Next one is 937, Armani Si Passione. So this one, it's nice, but I'm not like overwhelmed with this one. It's just nice, sweet, fruity scent, and it's not too strong, this one. Yeah, it's nice and sweet, but a bit generic for me, but it's very nice. So it's 937 Armani Si Passione. I think loads of people like it, but it's okay. It's not like overwhelming the best, but it's okay. 938, we've got Valentino Born in Roba. I was excited about this one. I wanted to see because I know people love it. So yeah, it's very nice, but there is one note in there I don't like. So this one is This one has got a light medicinal note in there that I'm not inclining to. So, but it's anyone who likes a little bit of medicinal note, just very tiny bit, and likes sweet, yeah, they would like it. Yeah, otherwise it's really nice. It's quite strong as well, at least on the paper. So now we've got Jo Malone. Okay, so this is Jo Malone hibiscus one, yeah, yellow hibiscus 939, Federico Mahora. So this one is freshy. It's not citrusy freshy, but like floral freshy. It's nice yellow hibiscus. Yeah, floral freshy, I would say. Nice for spring. Yeah. Then we've got 940, the Jo Malone Nashi Blossom, inspired by, yeah. So this one, no, okay, so this one, I mean, in my head, Jo Malone has got loads of freshies, right? Like it's loads freshies from Jo Malone, and this one is another one fresh. I prefer this one to the first one. This one is like kind of stronger fresh, with more florals in it. But it's just, yeah, this one is nicer. Yeah, I prefer this one. So I prefer 940 from Jo Malone, inspired. Yeah, Nashi Blossom. This one. Then we've got this one. So I know you can't see the number, so it's 941 Biredo Mojave Ghost. Okay, so this one is, I'm not the least impressed with this one, I think, from all of them. It's okay. It's not too strong, but it's okay. I can't really describe it much. It's like a ghost. It's like a ghost. Yeah. It's it's like a ghost. It just disappears. It's a very good disappearing act. Mysterious. It's good. It's not in your face, so it's good maybe for office. Yeah, it's not too much in the face. It's I can't express it, like it's kind of it's not freshy. It's not sweet. I can't tell you. It's, I don't know. I don't know this ghost one. I'm not sure about this one. You have to smell it yourself. I don't know. Go and try it. So now we've got next one. It's 942, and it's inspired by Tuiles de Hermès. Okay, so this one is quite. It's got medicinal note in it as well, actually, same like Valentino Born in Roma. That's my impression, at least, but it's stronger, I think. Let me just check as well. Get this as well. Okay, so Valentino is sweeter. I actually prefer Valentino Born in Roma. Yeah, Valentino is sweeter, and this one is, yeah, this one has got more medicinal stuff in it. It's got tiny vibe, like Givenchy, what's it called? Givenchy Interdit. Yeah, it's got tiny vibe like that. Yeah, very tiny vibe. I prefer Valentino Donna, Born in Roma. But it's nice. It's kind of sweet. It's a little bit of everything. Yeah, how to describe this one for me? It's a little bit of everything in it. It's not too sweet. It's not fresh, that's for sure. It's quite like a boss woman, this one, I think. But it's, yeah, you have to try this one. Okay, now we've got Louis Vuitton, right? Everybody's talking about Louis Vuitton, and it's 943. Okay, so this is typical spring summer scent. It's very fresh. It's not really citrusy, but it's something like some fruit in it, like pear or something. I can't remember the note, guys, so yeah, it's like pear or something in it. Yeah, just typical nicely clean and fresh scent. This one, Louis Vuitton, Les Jours se lève. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. And it's number 943 from Federico Mahora. And then we've got here my favorite Tom Ford Metallic. I was really looking forward to this one. I love this. Okay, so I got full bottle. It's coming in the next one before I even smelled it. So it's coming in next delivery. Full bottle, 50 ml. I got 2 of them. Metallic and Armani Privé. Ambre Eccentrico. Let me just see which one is better, yeah? Okay, so when I compare these two, because they're both sweet. So this is more gourmand, 935 Armani Privé Ambre Eccentrico. This is more gourmand. And this one, Tom Ford Metallic, there's something in it, like, after, I would say, I smelled it straight away when I put it on, and it was kind of really warm scent. And now, after about 10 minutes, when I, managed to write everything on the papers, I would say it's more like, it actually does have this metallic vibe to it. Before it didn't. When you put it on straight away, you don't feel metallic vibe, but after 10 minutes it comes on the top. It's very strange, actually. It's not too much, but it's kind of like sour sweet as well, but it's like vanilla. There's some sweet notes in it. It's actually, because I thought by the name it would be cold, like cold scent, but it's not. It's actually quite nice, warm scent. And is it sweet? It's not sweet, but it's just warm scent. It's kind of sour sweet. It's hard to explain, but this is definitely gourmand. Armani Privé Eccentrico, yeah. This is definitely gourmand. And this one, Tom Ford Metallic, it's sweet, but it's not gourmand. And it does have these aldehydes in it, so, but I don't like aldehydes, but I like it in there. So it's very nice blended, like aldehyde, you can't feel it much. So it's very nice, and I think this one would be very versatile scent. You can wear it to any occasions. It's quite good for the evenings, but it's not overpowering, so you're not gonna choke anyone with this. But it's quite nice. I like this one. I love this one. Absolutely love this one. Yeah, so my full bottle is coming from these two. And I also got, I think I got this one. Can't remember. Yeah, I think I've got this one as well, Louis Vuitton. So I've got these 3, and then which one did I get? Forgot now. Then I've got this. Yeah, I've got few. Can't remember which one I got now. But it's coming in the next parcel. So these are all these scents. I think if I could pick up the best ones, it would be those 2. I was right when I thought I'm gonna like these 2. So I bought bottles of full bottles of Tom Ford Metallic inspired by, which is number 944. Yeah, and then I forgot to write the number there. It's 944. Yeah, it's 944, the last one in the new ones. And then Armani Privé is 935. So these 2, I think they are the best. I was right when I ordered these full bottles. And then I would say my next one would be, I think I liked quite this one, actually. Was it? No, this one, Nashi Blossom. Yeah, I like Nashi Blossom, actually. 940. They're all really nice, but it depends what you like. But my taste would be those. Okay. This one, Louis Vuitton, I like, but it's now winter, so this is more for spring. So I'll put it there, put it back. And then, yeah, I think those three. This is a bit medicinal, so it's not for me because I don't like medicinal note. This I can't tell you. I can't put a finger on it, like what it smells like. Let me smell. No, I still can't do it. No, you be the judge. Go and smell it. Yeah, this one was not as good as the other Jo Malone, so this one is better. Yellow hibiscus wasn't as good as Nashi Blossom from Jo Malone. And then we've got 938 Valentino. Valentino was actually better. It was better than Valentino was better. They've got similar vibe, but Valentino was better than the Hermes. Yeah, I like it. I like Valentino. Valentino is quite nice actually. It's sweet. It's sweet and also a bit gourmand, and yeah. It's good. It's sweet. It's nice. It's very nice. And then, yeah, I wasn't too impressed with this one. Yeah, it's a bit, yeah, it's not as strong. So anyone who does weaker ones, they may like this Sipacion from Armani. And, oh yeah, I forgot about this one. So that one goes with the favorite ones too. So that's 4 favorite ones. Yeah, this is my 4 favorite ones from New Fragrances, inspired by, from Federico Mahora. So these are my favorite ones. I got all of them in full bottles without even smelling them before, but I was right. I was right. Yes, these, I knew I'm gonna like them, and I'm loving them. I'm loving all these. It's good. So these are numbers of Federico Mahora. Let me just write this one, because this one is 944. Yeah, 944. 9 4 4. Yeah, sorry about the writing. It looks like 9. Anyway, 944. This one. Yeah. Okay. So 944. Allow this one. Allow 935. Allow this one, and I really like 940. And then I like this one for men, 936. That's Tom Ford Fauger d'Argent. This one is really nice for men. This is gonna be my another favorite one for men. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised with this one for men. Like a bit freshy, but it's not freshy like for summer beach, but it's just like sexy. I like it. I like sexy one for men, this one. Yeah, so whether it's original or ours, you can't get wrong with this one. It's amazing for men. Yeah, if you want to buy a present for men, you can buy it. So actually, yeah, so Tom Ford is like, I don't know, 200 pounds, and we have similar one, or maybe same. I can't compare now because I can't remember what it smelled like, the original. So we have one for 31 pounds 50 ml. So that's different, isn't it? And you can get some really good deals with it, so you can get it even cheaper. Like recently we had buy one get one free, so you could get 2 for 31 pounds. So that's a really good deal. They don't have a deal like this all the time, but if you're lucky, you can get it. So yeah, you can contact me and I'll tell you all about this, all info. I'll tell you everything. So yeah, those, that's it. Anything else I forgot? Yeah, if you want, if you have any questions, just let me know and let's have a chat. So that's my first impressions of the new perfumes. So yeah,